Hello and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So we have another JAMB math question here. It says if 2p3 base 4 is equal to 3939 base 10, the value of p is, okay, so this is under number basis. All right, so how do we do this? This is already in base 10, so let's leave this. Let's convert this to base 10. Okay, remember in converting to base 10, we do 1, 2, 3. That's the power that the present base would take. So from here, converting this to base 10, we're going to have 2 times 4 raised to the power 2 plus p times 4 raised to the power 1 plus 3 times 4 raised to the power 0 equal to 39. 39 is already in base 10, which is our standard numbers, okay? So here, what do we do? This is 4 raised to the power 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 times 2, is 32, okay? Plus, this is 4 raised to the power 1, which is 4. 4 times p is 4p. Okay, 4 raised to the power, that's plus, sorry. 4 raised to the power 0 is 1, and 1 times 3 is 3, equal to 39. So let's take all the numbers here. First of all, this plus this will give us 35. When we take 35 to the other side, we're subtracting 35. You know, this is JAMB math, so you have to be very fast with calculation. So right here, I have 4p is equal to 39 minus this will give me a 4. All right, and I cancel out, and my p is equal to 1. Can you see how fast I did that? In JAMB maths, you have to be fast. Okay, that's why it's always good. I always tell students, okay, and in our online classes, do make sure you join our online tutorials. You can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp details is here. Always practice without a calculator, not even a manual calculator, non-scientific calculator. Don't use it. Be used to fast calculation. If you are doing math, if you are doing physics, be used to calculating without your calculator, not even no calculator. Be comfortable with it, especially in your physics and your chemistry. When you are playing around with your standard forms and all that, you have to be comfortable with it. Okay, you can see how fast I just quickly did this. Add this together, then just subtract and got my answer. Do you see that? Okay, so to practice more, get more questions, please do download the DTW JAMB CBT app to practice. You see, this day and age, yes, I know you want to buy your paper book past question, but I tell you, it is the CBT one that you need. Download the DTW JAMB CBT app. It has past question all the way from 1994 till date with correct solutions. And this is in a digital format. You time yourself. This prepares you for a CBT exam. Please, in fact, I can't overemphasize the need for each student to get a CBT app. And I tell you, get the DTW CBT app. The features, you have the question search feature. Okay, instead of you flipping, you read a particular topic. Instead of you flipping all the yes, past question, looking for questions on that particular topic, just use a single digital feature. Oh, on the app called question search. It will just type like this is number base. Go to number base. Go click math, select the subject. Then click on type number base. It will bring out all questions from every years under number base, and you solve it and you see the solutions there. Download it for free and see it. When you see, download it for free, see it working. Then you know that the amount that you have to pay is even too small for other. This is just one feature. There's AI feature. Please get the DTWCBT app today. Download it freely and check. It's for your science, your art, your commercial, all your subjects. Tell your friends, all your subjects is there. Even the ones that you don't even find in the markets, that you don't find: geography, fine arts, Igbo, Islamic studies, everything, computer, everything is there. Computer science, it is there. Okay, so if you want to also join our online tutorials, please do WhatsApp me. All the links I would leave in the video description box. If it's on TikTok, you see it on my link tree. Just go there. You can join our Facebook group. Okay, have questions, have things bothering you about your registration, anything, just post it on the Facebook group. Okay, and we also have a WhatsApp channel. That's just for updates. WhatsApp channel, you can't really interact. You can't ask your questions. That's why I advise students also join the Facebook group so you can ask your questions. I'm on the group and I will also be answering you with other moderators. Please do follow us. Follow our channels, YouTube, TikTok, everywhere. Please, and share this channel with your friends, family, loved ones preparing for the exam. Check our website, all right, for your syllabus, your notes, your guides, study materials free. There are other free resources, okay, that you can get here, because I know not everyone's hands are equal to get the app or join online tutorials. We also have free resources for you on our website. Okay, so thank you. And finally, the form, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. He's the one who's going to lead you to heaven at last and give you peace right here on earth. Okay, and finally, from us, from DTW Tutorials, you are destined to win in the forthcoming JAMB 2025 examination. Please do follow us. All right, take care.